since the launch of the Addis Ababa Action Agenda, an incredible amount has been achieved. And now in the Inclusive Green Finance IGF working group in AFI, we have over 60 countries working together to advance policies and regulations in this area.
As a climately vulnerable country, Bangladesh Bank has adopted this sustainable finance policy to facilitate the green financing along with the climate change financing. That's why inclusive green finance is very much important to facilitate, to get the fund and to inject the fund in those areas who are the climately vulnerable.
It's extremely important for the Alliance for Financial Inclusion and central bankers to be at the Financing for Development here in Seville and other international platforms, is to be able to bring the Southern voice to the table. If international policies and regulations are being developed without having the knowledge of the lived realities on the ground in emerging economies, then those policies will be much less effective.
Inclusive green finance became a mandate for banks regulators all over the world now. Also, the importance of inclusive green finance comes because of its cross-cutting with many of the bank's operations like risk management, and also it adds a lot to and helps a lot in the financial and banking stability. While many of our members issued their regulations already, but still there is a very big room of improvement when it comes to capacity building as well as following the international standards.
New areas of inclusive green finance policy and regulation are being tested. For example, the linkages between inclusive green finance, gender inclusive finance, MSMEs. Inclusive green finance now has a very strong and permanent place in the broader climate and green finance debate. IGF has grown to a point where it creates enormous opportunities for our partners in the broader ecosystem to collaborate with us to build on the momentum.